If you're here to find out about DreamTrips review, what I really found as an outsider doing real research, you've come to the right place. Let's get it. So DreamTrips is the rebooted version of the old World Ventures Travels MLM. The same company that collapsed financially, filed bankruptcy, and left thousands of reps stranded. After the dust settled, new owners stepped in, rebranded the company, and relaunched it under a fresh name. But the core model didn't change. It's still a travel membership MLM built on monthly fees, recruitment, and a binary compensation plan that only pays on one leg. If you strip away the branding, DreamTrips is a travel club with an MLM attached, where the real money comes from recruiting, not travel savings. DreamTrips is built for people who love group travel, want curated experiences, don't mind paying monthly fees, and enjoy a social, community-driven environment. It also appeals to people who are comfortable recruiting to offset costs, but it's not built for people who want the best travel prices, want a real business model, don't want to recruit, want predictable income, or want control over their business. If you're not planning to recruit aggressively, DreamTrips becomes an expensive travel club, not a business. DreamTrips offer two main membership tiers. Business class costs $199 up front and $67 a month, giving you monthly points, curated trips, and access to the booking engine. The Founders membership costs $399 up front and $145 a month, includes a free annual trip, VIP perks, and concierge service. The problem is you can find similar or better travel deals for free, and the point system is essentially a rebate, not real savings. The Founders tier ends up costing $17.40 per year for a free trip that often isn't exactly free once you factor in flights, taxes, and fees. DreamTrips uses a binary MLM structure, which means you only get paid on one leg. You need constant recruitment to keep volume flowing, and you earn very little unless you hit aggressive targets. The Fast Start bonus pays only if you recruit 4 people in 30 days. Residual commissions are about 3.5%, which many call peanuts. The binary payout means you earn on a weaker leg, so half your team doesn't count. Your monthly fee is waived if you recruit 4 active members at your tier. The conclusion is simple. You make scraps unless you recruit aggressively. DreamTrips has some pros: curated group trips, community-driven travel, attractive branding, fun experiences, and the ability to waive your monthly fee with 4 recruits. But the cons outweigh them: overpriced memberships, recruitment-heavy compensation, binary structure limitations, travel deals available cheaper elsewhere, high monthly fees, low residual payouts, and the fact that it's a reboot of a failed MLM. The biggest con is you're paying monthly for a product you can get for free. DreamTrips review, my final verdict. DreamTrips is a fun travel club but a weak business model. If you want real skills, real control, real income potential, and real stability, you need a platform that teaches marketing, not one that depends on monthly fees and binary volume. DreamTrips is entertainment, not a business. DreamTrips review, why I recommend something else. If you want predictable income, real skills, and a business you control, you need a platform that teaches traffic, marketing, funnels, and real business fundamentals. You need something that doesn't collapse when one company changes direction. That's why I recommend starting with a platform that gives you training, community, coaching, duplication, and real marketing skills. DreamTrips gives you trips. It doesn't give you a business. Why join me in my company, okay? Because you can promote anything you want and still make more money, okay? Most people don't fail because the system is bad. They fail because they join someone who gives them a link, disappears, and leaves them to figure everything out alone. That's not how I operate or we operate. When you join through me, you're not just getting access to funnel, you're getting a complete duplication ecosystem designed to help beginners win without confusion, overwhelm, or guesswork, okay? Everybody gets the same bonuses in training, okay? So your people get them, and their people get them, and their people get them. A complete duplication system with funnel scripts, emails, blogs. The blogs is something we add additionally, and we give you the training for that. If you want the link, let me know. Onboarding, content, and follow-up, all done for you and ready to plug in. A custom funnel for your primary business, not mine. A 150 email autoresponder sequences that build trust and converts over time. Daily coaching Monday through Friday for support, accountability, and clarity to build your business, okay? And we have we have training that's top state of the art, okay? My USA only premium traffic rotators fund out a profit to help you build early momentum. That's the only bonus that's different, okay? We give you that if you join at all 3 levels. Everything else is given, okay? For no matter what, if you're at the 10, the 25, or 125, okay? So you can earn 128 per person per month, okay? And I buy that out of traffic. So as I scale up, you get more and more traffic to your link, okay? I'll help you build your list and your business. Generational support is everything I give you passes down to your team automatically. The safest, most honest sponsor you'll ever meet. No hype, no pressure, no disappearing, just real help and a clear path. If you're ready to build a real online business with training, support, and a simple path forward, start here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, once you join, this is our team site. Okay, this is where the real gold is. Okay, all these are videos, step by step. You can take them at your leisure. Okay, you also schedule a coaching call with our team leader. Okay, so this is what you do. You schedule a date and time, hit next. Okay. And then, if you want to get to live coaching Monday through Friday, you get the time zone conversion and you enter the training room, okay? Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We give you the time zone conversion, enter the training room, and we'll help you build your primary business, okay? No matter what it is, okay? We'll build your custom branded funnel. We'll build your team. We'll train your team, okay? Your team, you and your team get the same bonuses, and their team gets the same training and bonuses, okay? That's how you build real duplication. That's how you make more and more money, okay? And we pay, HBA pays automatically to your bank account. Once you set it up once, you get paid over and over again automatically to your bank account, okay? And this is additional income stream, okay? Again, to any, no matter if you're 10, 25, 125, okay? If somebody, no matter, we'll get you the $7 level for free, right? But if somebody buys, say, the duplication formula, hopefully that comes up, that's $3,000, but you get $1,500 of it. So you get half of that, okay? If somebody goes in on the weekend and goes all in on Saturday night, okay, that's $500. You get $250 of that to any payment processor, okay? But you only joined the $7 level. How cool is that, okay? Again, the training is the gold, okay? We will train your people and train them the right way, okay? And you don't have to worry about once you get make more money and your team gets automatically trained for you. Just plug them into the system. How cool is that? Okay, if you're, again, I don't recommend DreamTrips. I do recommend HBA, and you want to join through me. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.